Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 8. English-speaking countries. Page 16. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
How's your international summer camp going, Farm?
Awesome. Just awesome.
You sound so happy. What do you like about it?
It's hard to say. Everything's wonderful. The friends I've made, the places I've visited, the activities.
Oh, your English has improved a lot.
Absolutely. I use English every day with people from different countries.
Where are they from?
Everywhere. Places like India, Canada. English is also an official language here in Singapore.
Right. Have you made any friends from English-speaking countries?
I'm in a team with 2 boys from Australia and a girl from the USA.
Do you have difficulty understanding them?
I found it difficult to understand them at first. Perhaps it's because of their accent, but it's okay now.
It's great that you can practice English with native speakers. When are you back?
Our camp closes on July 15th and I take the night flight home the same day.
Looking forward to seeing you then. Enjoy!
I will. Thanks. Bye.